Hello guys, a quick update. So I have a little problem in the headlight. Yeah, now you can see the glass pieces over there near the LED bulb. I think that was broken. The light is still working, but you can still see the glass pieces falling around. Yeah, you can see the bulb is actually working, the light is working. The only thing is I just need to remove these glass pieces at least, so that it won't affect further the lamp. Okay, at least I can run till I get the replacement. Okay, so I'm now going to service center. Let's see. Okay. The glass pieces have been removed and the material hasn't come yet. We placed order again and I don't know how much time it will take further. So at least since we removed these glass pieces, there shouldn't be any issue further. We are back home now, and the reason why this bulb was broken or the glass was broken is unknown. And the most suspected reason is because of the vibrations it might have broken inside, because there is no other damage or there is no other cause we can guess or we can believe otherwise. Anyway, so now the pieces were removed, so it shouldn't affect anymore anything else. Okay, let's wait when this part would come and then we can replace it.